What's up everybody, Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a new product and then a new scent from Caribou Beard Co. Check out my previous unboxing and review of Caribou Beard Co stuff that I did a couple years ago. Use code THETRUTH, that is an affiliate code, so it does help me out if you want to support my channel, as well as save some money with Caribou Beard Co. Check out Caribou Beard Co.'s website and Instagram, linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and then follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Yeah. Let's get started. Alrighty, so starting off with talking about Caribou Beard Co. The owner's name is Bryan. He's a former beard product content creator on YouTube, so I'll put his channel down below if you want to check him out. Check out some of his older videos. Yeah, and then Caribou Beard Co. was announced and launched in 2022, so it's been about 2 years, because it was April when they officially launched. They're based in St. John's, Newfoundland, so in Canada, which is pretty cool. I always like supporting small batch Canadian companies. Yeah, and then they sell a bunch of different small batch handmade beard products. And then next, let's talk about the products that Bryan sent me to check out. Alrighty, yeah, so Caribou Beard Co. sells 1 ounce beard oil for $24.99, as well as 2 ounce beard balm for $24.99, and then 4 ounce beard butter as well, which is $30. And that's all Canadian prices. And then the 8 ounce beard wash is $24.99, which I do have here, so I'm excited to check that out. And they also have sandalwood beard combs and beard brushes for $14.99 each, and then they also have snapback hats, which are available in a few different colors for $29.99. Next, let's unbox these products. So Bryan sent me a new scent in beard oil. This is called Dusk, which should be out now as this video is coming out. And then the ingredients for the beard oil, real quick, are argan oil, jojoba seed oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, and then castor oil, and then essential oils for scent. And then the beard wash is unscented, is paraben and sulfate free. Let's get into these products. You got the Caribou Beard Co. logo right there on the front, which is a nice detail. Alright, cool. We got a sticker, super dope. We got a business card. Bryan Godfrey, founder, with the Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter is at Caribou Beard Co. And then website, and then his email. Really nice looking business card there, very cool. Alright, so starting off, we got the 8 ounce beard wash. This is a conditioning beard wash used daily. Nice white bottle to match the theme and branding of Caribou Beard Co.'s other stuff. Yeah, and that's definitely 100% unscented. I'm gonna be testing this out over the next few days, and then I'll come back and finish this video, let you guys know what I thought about it. More efficient rather than doing a whole separate review, but still sharing my thoughts after actually using this. And then next, got the new scent from Caribou Beard Co. This is Dusk. Alrighty, and then let's check out this scent real quick. So yeah, scent profile for Dusk is vanilla, patchouli, vetiver, black pepper, and bergamot. Definitely sounds like a nice combo. Ooh, yeah, I like that. It's like, you can definitely, the patchouli is like noticeable, but it's not like as aggressive as some other patchouli scents that I've tried. You get the vanilla up front, I would say. Maybe a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, bergamot too, I can smell that. Yeah, I'm excited to check this out. I really like that. Generally I've had a kind of a mixed bag with patchouli scents, but this one smells like it's gonna be pretty solid. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. So I'm back after about a week or so testing the beard wash from Caribou Beard Co., as well as using Dusk, the new scent, a couple times over the last week or so. Gonna share some thoughts before we wrap up this video. Yeah, so with the beard wash, it's I'd say the perfect mix between being like it's not too watery and it's not too thick at the same time, so it just works really well. It doesn't take a lot to get it out of the bottle. Works pretty well with my beard, doesn't strip it or make it feel dry or anything like that. Definitely usable as a daily wash for sure. I definitely recommend you check this out if you're looking for a beard wash. Dusk is also a nice scent. When I heard that there's patchouli in it, I was a little bit worried, because I know typically patchouli tends to be pretty dominant, but with this, it's blended in well with the other scents. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought down below. Turn on notifications as well, and follow me on Instagram. Shout out to Bryan for sending these 2 products out for me to check out and test out. Check out my previous Caribou Beard Co. unboxing and full review down below in the description. Yeah, use code THETRUTH to support myself and Caribou Beard Co. Yeah, thanks for watching this video once again. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.